This is one of the most dangerous spiders in the world, and if you live in the US, chances are you've seen one in your home without even knowing it. The striped bark, also known as the climber in the shadows, is a type of spider that likes to hide in walls and under loose bark, and they're especially fond of making their homes inside of wooden picture frames. Now, these spiders are completely harmless to humans unless you decide to touch them, because when you do, they will curl up and then deliver a nasty sting. And even though the pain goes away pretty quickly, the real danger is in the venom. See? The venom from these spiders contains a powerful neurotoxin that can cause paralysis. And if you're allergic to their venom, it could be fatal. So if you do see this spider in your home, don't try to touch it or pick it up. Just leave it alone.